Welcome to the Country Castle. Today is my son's birthday. With 8 kids, it seems like we're always celebrating someone's birthday. In fact, we have 7 months in a row of birthdays, so we always have a birthday going on, and today we're just doing all the fun celebrations. We love celebrating our kids and making them feel special on their birthdays. I'm also running out today to pick up 3 of my little kids who got to spend the night at their grandma's house and do fun things with their grandma and grandpa. So I'm going to be picking them up as well. And it's really fun because my son also shares a birthday with my dad. So we get to see them later today as well. We will be making a cake and some dinner. Thank you for being here, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I've learned birthdays don't need to be elaborate to feel special. They just need to feel intentional. In a home with 8 children, it would be easy to let days like this pass quickly, to say we'll celebrate later or do something bigger another time. But I've learned later doesn't always come. So I slow it down here. I make something they love. I set the tone for the day. It always starts with a breakfast that they've been looking forward to, and today it's crepes. And I let it be simple, because simple done with care becomes something they carry with them. For this crepe recipe, it is a very simple recipe and one of my favorites. I'm going to link it in my description below. And the magic to this recipe is making sure you let the batter rest when you are done mixing it for the most perfect, beautiful crepes. Taller today? Like, and then you'd be like, yeah, I did. 17. I don't know when that happened. One minute you're holding their tiny hand, and the next, they're taller than you with their own thoughts, their own life unfolding, and you're standing in the kitchen making their birthday breakfast, trying to hold on to just a little bit more time. Having a big family means there's a lot more people to love you on your birthday, and there is a lot of that in this house. I am headed out to pick up 3 of my little kids from spending the night at their grandma and grandpa's house. There's something about going to pick them up that always makes you pause for a second. You get a moment of stillness before the noise comes rushing back, and then suddenly it's laughter, stories, voices all at once, everyone talking over each other, and I catch myself just listening. Because one day, this house will be a lot more quiet, and I know I will miss that.
What? Terry turned 17. Yeah.
You take all your stuff out.
I'm just going to show you this.
I am going to make an angel food cake for my son's birthday cake. This is a favorite of mine. I think I have had this every birthday since I can remember. My mom always made me an angel food cake with whipping cream and strawberries on it, and it is just the most perfect light dessert that is not too sweet. And of course, you can home make your angel food cake, but I think the box version tastes good and it is so easy to put together. So we're going to throw this in the oven and then we will get to decorating it. Birthdays in our home aren't about everything looking perfect. It's about letting everyone be a part of it. And one of the things that we love about birthdays in our home is that it is a celebration for everyone. Everyone gets yummy cake, the special breakfast, the yummy desserts at the end of the day, and they get to be a part of all of the festivities. And so it is always a big deal. And I have learned to let go of control and just let my kids be a part of all the things I am doing. So if it is decorating a cake, I think the most beautiful cake decorated is the one that's been decorated by little hands. I finally learned as a homemaker that it's not about everything looking perfect and being perfect. It's about creating something together. And that makes the most beautiful memory and the ones that last. Who wants to put one on? Put one on, sweetie.
Mom, can I have one for strawberries?
Here, Sophie.
Can I have a strawberry?
Yeah, here's Sophie. Dinner still needs to be made, and the birthday boy wanted chicken Alfredo, so I am pounding out some chicken breasts. I'm going to dredge them in some flour with seasonings and Parmesan and lightly fry them in a pan. We are going to cook up the pasta, make an Alfredo sauce, and pull this dinner together quick. Everyone loves this meal. It is the ultimate comfort food. I must add, with Easter a couple days away, you must add some chopped up Cadbury eggs to a chocolate chip cookie recipe. I added them to my brown butter chocolate chip cookies and they were perfection. Such a yummy treat. "17 years of being Harry's mom, and that feels impossible to say out loud. I remember the version of me who held him for the first time. I thought I had to have everything figured out. I thought I needed to do everything just right. But motherhood doesn't work like that. It stretches you. It humbles you. It changes you slowly over time. And somewhere along the way, you realize you've grown up alongside them. And if that's not the most beautiful part about motherhood and being a homemaker, I don't know what is. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you haven't already, I would love it if you liked and subscribed. And I will see you in the next video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.